Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Keke token. Now Keke is a meme for laughing. People say LOL. Keke means LOL in, I think it's Korean. Let me verify that actually. Keke means, punch that in, LOL, yeah. So I believe it's from... it says the Egyptian god Keke portrayed as Pepe the Frog, and that is why exactly this token has that Pepe the Frog Egyptian meme as their avatar, as their profile picture. But there was another token that was called Keke that I recently did a video on. The name of that token was KEK, just like this one, and the ticker symbol was also KEK. Now this one is slightly different. This new one here, ticker symbol KEKE. So there's one extra E on this token. Now, I don't know where that other token is right now, but this token, the KEKE one, is doing amazing. Today it is up 453% in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. Their official webpage is Kingdom of Keke. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Keke token. So like I said, kingdomofkeke.com is their official webpage. You can also find their Etherscan on CoinMarketCap, also a Medium at Kingdom of Keke on Medium articles there. Their Twitter is at Kingdom of Keke. Their Reddit is the same thing, and same thing for their Telegram. So it's very easy to find all of their socials. They all have the exact same name. Now, like I said, this token was in the top gainer section, number 1 in the top gainer section. It's almost up 500% right now. Fully diluted market cap, $10.5 million. 24-hour trading volume today is $3 million. And market cap, $10.4 million. So the chart is looking great. People are writing bullish comments on here. So it says, introducing Keke, the ultimate crypto meme project that combines the power of ancient Egyptian god Keke with the modern online meme culture, drawing its inspiration from the popular cult of Keke meme, which is widespread on platforms such as 4chan and Twitch. I do believe that there was a token, maybe even like 2 years ago, that came out with that name, the cult of Keke token. And that was, yeah, that was a crypto token like 2 years ago. I remember seeing that listed on CoinMarketCap in the news section. So it says, by joining the Keke community, you'll be able to revel in the delightful humor of our memes while immersing yourself in a vibrant and ever-expanding ecosystem of like-minded individuals. The Keke project boasts a transparent and sensible tokenomic structure with no taxes. So let's pause right there. So how you would get this token, since this is an Ethereum token, if you wanted to get it, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Keke token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, their Etherscan webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you most likely will not have to change slippage because it says no taxes. And just be aware that there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So it says out of the total supply of, that is a million billion, 77,777,777,000,000 yada, yada, yada. That's how many tokens there are. A whopping 92.3% are allocated to the liquidity pool. With the LP tokens burnt and contract renounced, the remaining 7.7% are held in a multi-sig wallet for future central exchange listings and liquidity pools. So KEK ensures its followers prosper by maintaining a thriving community in which the faithful and generous are rewarded. Join us in building the grand empire of KEK as we embark on this exciting journey to revolutionize the meme society and establish its dominance across the crypto realm. So yeah, it just says Uniswap so far on CoinMarketCap. I don't see any central exchange listings on there yet. Right now, this token just went up another 100%. It looks like it's well over 500% now at 540% in the green today. It's going crazy today. But so far, they only have 1,188 holders. It is a very brand new token that I believe I just saw in the recently added section on CoinMarketCap as well. Let's check their socials. So yeah, their Twitter just joined in April 2023, so very brand new project, and 550 Twitter followers so far. So yes, it's a very brand new project in general here. So yeah, it's a very popular meme. It has the 7 KEK commandments on their webpage. Thou shalt join thy fellow hodlers on a quest to build the glorious kingdom of KEK. Thou shalt practice the craft of magic every day and scatter its potency to the world through a sacred art of KEK. Thou shalt assemble thine own shill squad for guidance from KEK and shall be thy bounty. Thou shalt bow in obedience on all social channels. Ascend beyond the mortal plebs to become an officially ordained keeper of KEK. Conceal thy true power level, for the uninitiated normies tremble at its very mention, and purchase each and every dip, for thy humble sacrifice shall be richly rewarded within the grand realm of KEK. So, I mean, 0% taxes. We already went over total supply. You can find the contract address on their webpage, kingdomofkek.com. A buy now button, all their socials, the charts on here. They got a roadmap. I'm looking, there's like, little to no utility. They're going to have governance NFTs come out in the future. There's going to be some merch. There's meme utility basically to this token. And yeah, that's about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Kingdom of KEK? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.